we were here in 2016, we didn't see any donkeys at all. So there's a few here. So it's pretty good. They're looking for food. They're like, somebody new, must have food.
They look like girls.
Take it, nice.
Over here. Let's look at Cindy. No.
Oops.
Sorry.
Yeah. There you go, Beck. Okay, then there are a bunch more down there. Wait for this truck to go by and might be able to see them. Along the road. Yeah, there's a bunch down there. He said there's more down the road further. Yeah. Okay, we finally got to see the donkeys. What do you think, Beck?
I think they're cute.
Do you?
Yeah.
Becky made pancakes for you.
What? Huh? Look, they're like, food's gone. See ya. Okay, we're at a little prairie dog town. See if we can get a video of one. There's one way out there, probably can't see it. He's right there. Yeah, all these mounds of dirt like this, that's their holes going in. See them everywhere. There's a real big one there. I don't see any coming up though. Oh, there's one way out there. Now, I don't know if you can hear him. That's him barking. He's straight ahead. I don't know if you can hear him though. And he just tucked back down in. And there's a few more out further. Okay, I was saying in this track, my mic wasn't on, but whenever you see cars pulled over you know something's there. So you can see all the cars lined up. So there's definitely something here, and lo and behold, herd of buffalo. They're very friendly. Yeah. Yes, they do. There are a bunch of them. Okay, so far on the Wildlife Loop Road, it's been, where's she at? Where's she at?
Wildlife.
Yeah, see, we'll probably see a lot more. So I'm not filming the whole thing. It's way too much video for that. So we'll just get the highlights.